everyone, I'm Mrs. Lovelace, your 6th grade science teacher on the Thunderbolt team. I have enjoyed meeting each and every one of you over these last few days, and I'm so thankful to have you in my class. This is my 26th year of teaching, mostly science, but I have taught math and English. In class, over the last few days, we have learned that we're going to need some standard supplies. We're going to be working out of a spiral notebook. You can have a single subject or a 5-subject notebook. You're going to use your standard supplies or need standard supplies of crayons and colored pencils, pens, pencils, glue sticks, earbuds, a zipper pencil pouch to hold all of that. And of course, you're going to need your mask. So please make sure you're also checking your Synergy account and your Schoology account. Please make sure that your emails are updated, parents, and if you have any questions, you may reach out to me at susan.lovelace@cpsschools.com. All right, thanks so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night.
Hello, and welcome to the 2021-2022 school year. My name is Mrs. Corbett, and I am the civics teacher for the Thunderbolt team. Parents, I look forward to working with your child this year. This is my 25th year of teaching within the Chesapeake Public School family, and I am ready to embark on a new and improved civics instruction module. There will be lots of practice and lots of opportunities for you to assist your child this year in the acquisition of information and new vocabulary. I encourage you to please look over their interactive notebook that comes with them on a nightly basis, as well as trying to help them navigate the Schoology that they began last year. If you have any problems throughout the school year and you need any assistance whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can reach me at the school number, which is 558-5382, or you can email me at jenny.corbett@cpschools.com. You'll notice at the bottom of the screen, there are a list of supplies that I ask you all to have. The only thing that really is subject to my class is the composition notebook and the envelopes. Those envelopes will hold manipulatives that we will use on a routine basis to help your child master the concepts that we are learning. Again, I look forward to meeting you all and hearing from you during the question and answer period, which will be happening at a later time and a later date. And again, reach out with any concerns that you have. Thank you.
Hello, Thunderbolts. My name is Mrs. Howard, and I will be your Math 6 teacher for this academic school year. I am truly looking forward to working along with you and your parents to make you into mighty mathematicians. You're going to learn many wonderful skills this year. I ask that you come every day into room 803, known as the Math Dome, every day with a can-do attitude and a growth mindset. I ask that you be prepared for class. Being prepared means having your Chromebook daily, your supplies like paper and pencil, and one spiral notebook. That's all that you will need for this academic school year in math. And then I know that you will be ready to make each day so fabulous that the day before gets jealous. Remember, knowledge is power, and I look forward to a wonderful and rewarding school year.